Hey guys, what is up? This is MokoHead here. Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we'll be unboxing a lot of 17 or 16 cards. I cannot remember. This was a pretty fast shipment. I bought this on the 1st and it got delivered on the 4th, so it only took like 3 days to ship, or 4 days, however you want to look at it. Also, I want to give a shout out to JG24 Diecast. He just recently subscribed, and I want to thank you for subscribing and all that. I don't really get that much subscribers on my channel, but when I do, I think it's pretty cool. But anyway, so we're gonna get opening this. It's a pretty heavy box. Just gonna cut this open here. I can't really unbox it. I don't have that big of an area on screen to do it, so I have to take it off and open it. Alright. So here, side. Straight off the bat, we got a little Ford van, Singer van, gray plastic wheels. Ford's famous van, number 59. Not too bad. Not particularly rare or anything, so. Next we have a really beat up Cadillac. It has like no paint on it. I don't know much about Cadillacs, but this one has gray plastic wheels with a black base. I don't know if that's too rare or anything. What else do we have? Okay. Camera, please. Okay. Next, this is pretty cool. I don't have one of these yet. I don't know number. I think it's like number 5 or something. It's like a little fire truck. It's one of the really early ones. It's actually not in too bad condition. Oops. Okay. Cadillac just fell. Not too bad. I only see like a little spots on like the corners up here. But overall, that's pretty cool. Next, we have a prime remover. I don't know what number this is. It does have the hook still on it too. This is a plus. Nothing too special on that either. Okay, looks like we have a Vauxhall Victor. Gray plastic wheels with the green windows. Gray plastic. Pretty cool. Don't have one of those. Looks like we see another van here. This time it's in the rare green, dark green. It's missing the stickers, except for a little bit on that side. Gray plastic wheels. Pretty cool. I like these little vans. Next we have this London Trolley bus. I don't have one of these either, so pretty happy I'm getting all these models. Some of these I don't even have in general, so I don't think anything too rare on this. So there you go. Next we have this. What's this? Hamlin Minx, number 43, in the rare turquoise / cream color. Missing the hook, kind of sucks. Gray plastic wheels. Next one is a Ford Angelina, I think that's what you say, number 7. Gray plastic wheels. I think it looks pretty good in gray plastic wheels. I have one of these, but it's in really bad shape, and it has silver plastic wheels, so it has a tow hook. Pretty cool. Next we have a Bedford Removal van in the rare blue color. Looks like it's been smashed a little bit It's like they try to get the back out, the tailgate out. With the B on the bottom. Nothing too special. Then we have. Oh, I didn't know that. This is a Goblin Chieftain, number what, 51 or 50 something. Can't read it. This is has rare silver plastic wheels. I don't know. I thought it came with gray plastic. But nope, silver plastic wheels, pretty rare. It's pretty cool. Let's see what else we have in here. Here we go. This is a Ford Zodiac, which is pretty rare. It has the orange and however you want to call that color, like kind of gray, silver, pinkish color. I don't know how you would say it. But yeah, this one's pretty rare. It has no windows, which is actually really rare. I haven't actually seen many of these, so it's pretty cool to find with no windows. I actually just got one with the windows, so that's pretty cool. I have one down here. I don't have one of these either. It's Austin A30. Oh no, 50. A50. Number 36. Pretty cool, little car. And looks like we have a few more down the back. Here, I'm just gonna pull the paper out. Alright. Next up we have another rare one. This is a Jaguar 3.4 liter, number 65. This one's rare because it has metallic blue paint instead of just the regular paint. I don't see very much of these metallic ones either. Pretty cool. Just don't have any of those either. I'm getting a lot of models that I don't have. Next up we have a patrol tanker, nothing too special. Has no paint on the tanks. And has the big sticker on the back, so pretty cool. Here's yet another aerial. I just recently got like 2 of these and one of the 8-wheeled aerials from the same guy as interior. I really like these trucks. There's a sticker. I really like the rear sticker a lot better. I think it looks pretty cool. But yeah, I like these old aerials. I'll probably get them in any condition. And the last one is this ambulance, number 14. Pretty cool. Has the doors in the back. Usually those are sometimes fall out and lose them. So yeah, there you go, guys. That is the little lot I got. About 16 cars, I believe. So yeah, I want to thank you guys for watching. Make sure to stay tuned for more videos in the future. And I'll see you guys later.